Now, this is important. One lesson I want to teach you, right, is to be able to know which is the dominant algorithm here. Now, knowing the dominant algorithm will help you be able to choose your strikes wisely. If you see, for example, pink is in control in this case, right? You know pink is in control up till 2 p.m., for example, yeah? Now, you're not going to be holding, for example, 686 puts. Firstly, you shouldn't even be opening 686 puts because you see the pink will not get there until 2 p.m., right? You see, your trading decision is being helped because you understand the algorithms. It is almost impossible you get there, right? So you're not supposed to hold it beyond 2 p.m. even, because you're not going to get there, especially when we broke out of that pink already. You see that it's no longer dominant, right? You understand that. That's a very important decision-making criteria, right? So understanding who's in dominant control will help you make better trading decisions. And I want you to see for yourself, because I saw this trade, but I was in a meeting. So I observed the options chain. The only time it broke out of the dominant algorithm, and especially in the stronger buying precision, this trade here 8x'd. 8x here, which is a 900% gain, right? Just here to here. In that orange, from the break to the orange resistance. Look, it's penny perfect. You have the orange resistance here because we already discovered this orange buying earlier on. This orange buying is evident. And once we broke out here, if you took a trade on the break here, because you understood this was dominant, so if it broke out, the buyers are taking back control, and you followed the algorithm all the way to the top, this is a 900% trade. Absolutely blockbuster trade here. Were we prepared for this, ladies and gentlemen? Let me tell you, yes, we are. Why? Because like me, you have learned to see the algorithms. Beautiful trade right here. Let's take a look. This was 1209. 1209. Where was 1209? 1209 was here. You already saw this coming because you understood how the blue algorithm was building liquidity here. Could you see the blue algorithm without my input? Now that's your trading, right? If you chart